For this is the tale of Little Goody Two-Shoes. Join Elise as she ventures into the dark and mysterious woods in search of her dreams of fortune and riches.
Hmm?